Hello, Short Me Tina here once again from shortmetina.com. Doing a really quick video recap for ticker VIPS. Right now what you're looking at is a daily chart for the past 3 years. So the stock gap down on poor guidance, shed something like 20, maybe a little bit over 20% in trading today. You can see here denoted by this red line that short-term support of around 1180 actually held. Stock gap down, touch 180, and we bounced up to close more or less where we opened. So that this candle right here after this gap down is a doji, which signifies a potential reversal in trend. I wouldn't take the trade here, although, you know, based on your risk reward profile, it would be a decent area because it is shorter term support. If you go back to the beginning of January, this level of around 1180 did held, although it was tested multiple times back here. But for me to skew things in my favor, I'd actually wait until it revisits, and if it does, I'd wait until it revisits that $10.30, $10.50 area, because that has acted as support and was tested multiple times. And so we can conclude, because it was tested multiple times, that it's actually a stronger level of support. So let me go over that again. 1180 is representative of support, right? We tested it a few times in the month of January and the price level held. We retested it after this massive gap down, the price level held. However, for me, this line here, this fuchsia pinkish purple line, is a more solid area of support, and that's where I'd go long, because this support line has been tested several times throughout the year, not just for 2018, but if we go back to around 2015, 2016, this area of around 10 to 1050 was tested multiple times and it held. So let's go back. We tested that area here, it held, here it held, 3-4 times it held. You can say all of here, late 2016, 2017 it held here. Granted, we broke, but we revisited it once again in late 2017. So I say all that to say I trust this line a lot more than I would trust the red line, because this one has, for lack of a better term, it has more longevity, right? It's held as support for a longer period of time. It was tested and it proved to be support. So that's my take on VIPS. I think this sell-off is a little bit overdone, considering you see a doji here, 1180 was held. I think tomorrow you might get a retest of that 1180 area and you'll get a bounce. I think subsequently we are going to roll over and dip below this red line, and after a couple of days, I look to take a long around that $10.80 area. So that's my take. Head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.